It is 5 a.m. Still shank of night for some. But for Eddie Mannix, beginning of a new work day. The movie studio for which he works manufactures stories, each its own daylit drama or moonlit dream.
Which is not to say that we're just getting started. I've been taking Deanna through this. So Joe has done, well, just a whole lot of good work for us in the past. Whenever we've needed a witness or a third party for, I don't know, a petition of grievance or alienation of affection.
And he's reliable?
Unbonded, miss.
Joseph Silverman is the most reliable human being on the planet in our experience.